Thanks for tuning back in our YouTube channel. We are Joni and Sarah, and together we travel in that Fiat Ducato camper van. And do you know what today is?
We are in Greece.
No, surprise country day! We are already in Greece. Look what we are wearing, nuts, winter clothes.
Yeah, it's really warm. I think this is the warmest day in Greece that we have ever been.
It's plus 20.
Yeah, because last time we were here for winter time, and I think the warmest day was like plus 10.
Maybe. But
Yeah.
This is totally different kind of Greece and we are so excited. We did woke up from the Bulgarian side and did visit the most amazing hot baths ever.
Yeah, there was a lot of different temperatures pools there, and it was nice to just enjoy in the morning time after just a short drive from our camping spot.
If you have watched our previous travel videos, you sure know that we absolutely love these natural hot baths. So hot waters plopping from the ground without any entrance fee. And this is the only hot bath in Bulgaria that we went to soak, and it's so beautiful. The stream water that comes underground is 75 degrees and the pools are like a plus 40. And then it goes milder which pool you decide. So there's a perfect temperature for everybody. Bottom of these hot pools is this clay mud. Locals like to put the clay around their skin because it has a beautifying and healing effects. Oh, it feels like we have been bathing in sauna. This is pretty good substitute for sauna. We have missed sauna a lot.
And now, when we got from the hot baths, we took a full tank of diesel.
Quick pop over the gas stations to fill up the diesel tank, because in Bulgarian side the diesel is 1.5 something per liter, and in Greece it's almost 2 euros per liter. Greece is so expensive. Yeah. So we will fill the tanks now.
So always thinking ahead.
We are still budget traveling.
Yeah, it was 140 euros worth of diesel to our tank, from totally empty to totally full.
But now we are in one of our target destinations, and this is this night's camping spot. So under these oak trees we have a beautiful stream there going on. It's clear water, and this place is super beautiful because there's no trash inside.
And it's really nice to be here. We are like whenever we come to Greece, it's a really good feeling. Already seeing those Greece letters makes you smile, like here we are.
Happy smiley people.
The border crossing from Bulgaria to Greece was pretty easy. They just checked our papers and that's it. Usually it's more intense because we are coming back to EU and we have dock here, but this time it was just driving through basically. But
coming back to Schengen.
Coming back to Schengen country. And also when we got from the border post, there was a toll road.
right after we crossed the border. It was like a cold smack in our face, like how expensive travel in Greece can be.
Yeah, 5 euros this time, but if we drive from here to Peloponnese, the southern tip of the Greece, for using toll roads with our van, it's approximately 100 euros. It's 900 kilometers, and so I think it's quite hefty toll roads. And I remember when we went to the Athens, they are expensive. They are most expensive toll roads I have ever driven.
So we are not going anywhere near Athens this time.
And
We'll just stay in the countryside and near the sea.
And I'm amazed how locals can actually buy the toll every day and go to work, or they have some kind of yearly subscription or something.
Yeah.
But paying like 20 euros per way to the work.
Plus expensive fuel prices. It's so expensive we don't know how Greece people can afford to live here.
But now we have a fridges, both fridges full of nice food. We have a really nice place. We call this hatetuspaikka, so we can hate other people all alone here. Just seeing nobody else in here.
Just like we prefer beautiful street going down there. We can keep our small doggy free roaming here.
Yeah.
And we are going to just enjoy.
Yeah, there's just a small road that comes here. This is totally countryside. There's a couple of towns behind us and that's it.
Yeah.
So this Greece started really great.
Yes, we did it. We escaped the winter.
And-
High five. Woo!
And we stayed with the summer, the whole autumn.
We are chasing the sun. It
We are.
feels so good.
Yes, let's enjoy the sun. This sun. Greek sun.
Helle sun. Our new blanket is so warm and thick. We don't run our heater during the night time, even it's really cold outside. So we will just pop the heater on when it's morning time. And people always want to know, what do you guys fight about while living in a van? Well, we don't really fight or argue, but there is the one ongoing debate. What temperature we should put to the thermostat that we are both happy? I like it a little bit colder because I like to save the LPG, and Joni wants this to be hot and comfy.
So I want to have something like 12. And I want to have 16. And I have come down from 16 to 12.
But it's not really true. Even the thermostat is like 12. It's almost 20 degrees here. So the thermostat is lying. Okay.
Yes, as you said. Yes, coffee time.
About the blanket, we bought a new blanket a few weeks ago and we thought it's the same IKEA blanket that we had the previous one, but guess what? They always change the labels and names and everything, so I think this is much more thicker and warmer than the previous one.
I think it's the same because our blanket was 12 years old. See, it might have gone like not so fluffy after 12 years. Maybe. But
Yeah, when you leave a van long enough, everything falls apart and you need to basically renew everything.
we are out of filter papers for a coffee maker. Røde V60. So it's espresso from now on. Yeah. For that I have to adjust the grind on our grinder, and then we can have again coffee. We are still trying to find some filter papers to make coffee with the filter paper and funnel because we love the coffee like that the best. Even with the local water. Usually we find these beans better than some ready grinded coffees. Yeah, of course. These are much better. Now we are having Löfbergs 3.
Sarah's favorite.
Sarah's favorite. Sweet caramel.
Just like the lady itself.
Yes!
Somehow it's really strong, but somehow it doesn't taste at all like a coffee.
Yeah, I think it's
It's so hot that I burn my mouth and tongue and I cannot feel anything.
no, I think it's just we had good Arabica coffee, so it just disappears all those notes of
Different flavors.
different flavors. Yeah, but it's a strong coffee and black.
Yeah. I might add some hot water in it to make it stupid boring Americana.
When using V60, it's easy to clean, really easy to clean, but this is not. So it always takes time and effort, more than V60. Actually, we scored from Thessaloniki. There's filter paper for V60, so we're gonna go there to buy it. So in the future we can make again filter coffee.
We had a little oopsie. We try to not to put any food leftovers in our sink, but sometimes the drain will get clogged. And then I have to ask Joni to open it. So Joni just uses his hand and pumps it with a bunch of water. And eventually it will open.
Drains again.